Now we are moving into a very crucial topic known as lot size. This is the reason why most people blow accounts, because they don't understand the meaning of lot size. This happened to me in my early days of trading as well. And anytime I forget to consider the lot size, I always face the music. So I will try my best to explain this concept. So lot size is the amount or quantity of a trade that you buy or sell. You can see the word quantity. I can have something like this. I have something like this. And I have something like this. Inside here, I can have 10. Inside here, I can have 5. Inside here, I can have 2. So this big one is represented as the standard. This is the mini, and the micro is this. This is the concept of lot size. Alright, in the forex market, the currencies are not bought and sold as a single entity or whatever it is. They are bought and sold in packs called lot sizes. In packs, in the sense that this is one circle, but inside this circle we have more than one item inside there. And this is another circle, and inside we have more than one item, though it is smaller than the first one. And this is another circle, we have more than one item here, and it's also smaller than this one. So they're all 3 circles, but within them are items of different sizes or packs. So that is what makes the gain appreciable. If not, your profit in forex would have been this, or very minimal. But because you can decide to buy currencies in bulk, like if this were to be euro, this is 10 of it, not just one. So let's just go ahead and explain this to your understanding. So lot is simply a measure of volume. The standard lot has 100,000 units. For example, if I have Euro USD, and then whenever I want to place a trade, I have to choose my lot size. Let me show you what I mean. This is the trading app, and if I want to place a trade, I'll press a F9 on my keyboard. Then you see this volume here. This is what we're talking about. When I drop it down, standard lot means 1.00. That is the standard lot we're talking about. And you can see it has 100,000 of the base currency. The base currency here is euro. Remember the base and quote currency class? We said the base currency is the first one. So when I choose a standard lot, I'm going to have 100,000 of the base currency. That is what I'm trading with. Now let's go to the second one, which is the mini, which is the mini lot. and that is 0.1. When I'm trading with this, it means I'm buying 10,000 of euro, which is the base currency. And when I go to the last one, which is 0.01, it means I'm buying 1,000 units of the base currency. So this is what we mean by those things we have here. So from that, we saw that standard lot is 1.00. So whenever I want to place a trade and I choose a volume of 1.00, it means I'm buying 100,000 worth of whatever currency pair I'm trading. If it's Euro USD, that means I'm buying 100,000 worth of units of the base currency, which is Euro. If I go with mini, it means I have to choose this 0.10, and that means I'm buying 10,000 units of euro. And if I go with micro, it's going to be 0.01. It means I'm buying micro. Now, not all brokers have this nano. This is so little and is sometimes can be very, very small. I remember I saw this on one broker at a time. Not all brokers will allow you to buy nano. This is the list offered by most brokers, but I've seen this somewhere, somehow. And when you choose this, you're buying just 100 units of euro. Now, remember that some brokers allow you to deposit $10. So how can you use $10 to buy 100,000 units of this currency? We shall get there. That is what we call leverage. Your broker, they borrow you money to trade the forex market. We shall get to that place. But I understand, I hope you understand what we mean by lot size and how it appears in real life. All right. So this is just kind of revision. Now there's something you have to know. When you use a standard lot, this is a standard lot 1.0, and you're buying 100,000 units of the base currency, each movement or each pip, which is one movement on the chart, is equivalent to $10. For example, if Euro USD moves from 1.3230 up to 1.3231, how many pips is this movement? Is one pip. So what it means that if you're trading a standard lot size, each movement on the chart is going to cost $10, either positive or negative, or either in your direction or against you. That is what it means, because this is a standard lot size you're trading. If you're trading a mini lot size, which is this, which is a $10,000 worth of euro, each pip is going to worth $1. And if you're trading the micro lot size, which gives you 1,000 units of euro, each movement, each pip is going to cost this. So this is where most people get confused, and this is where most people blow their account. Now, if you have a $10 account, you can never trade the standard lot. You can never, because just a simple move against you, in fact, it's not possible. The system will not allow you to trade that. But let's say it will be possible. Just a single move in the opposite direction, your account is blown. Then if you have $10 here as well, and you're trading the mini, if you have $10 and you're trading the mini lot size, some broker will not allow you to place that trade, because 10 pips against you, your account is blown. But if you have $10 and you're trading micro lot size, $10 pips against you will be minus $1. Yeah, that is how it is. 10 pips against you, against the direction. Let's say what I mean against is this: maybe you speculated and you analyzed that the market was going to go up and you entered here, but instead the market went against you. It went 10 pips against you. Here you're going to lose $1 out of your $10 account for micro. But if you're on mini, if you use a mini lot, if it goes 10 pips against you, that means your $10 is gone. And if you're on standard, just 1 pip against you, your $10 is gone. So try to understand the concept of this lot size, because it's going to make you determine who you are in the forex market. So here is a brief table of what you can do with 15 pips. From these explanations here, this one here, this lot size here, falls under this category, which is a mini lot size. If you move 15 pips on mini lot size, it's going to give you $15. Then if you move 0.5 lot size, it's going to give you that same 15 pips is going to give you $75. Then if you make it one standard lot, it's going to give you 15 pips, it's going to give you $150. Then if it's 2 standard lots, that is $300, and 5 standard lots, that is $750. Because I want to explain this thing to you in full. The minimum is 0.01. You can as well go up like this: 0.02, 0.03, until you get to 0.09. And after 0.09, the next is going to be 0.10. That means you have now entered the mini lot size. You start from micro 0.1 to 0.9. Then when you get here, you enter the mini. Then the mini runs like this: 0.11, 0.12, till you get to 0.99. Quite a lot in between this and this. This is 12. We have 14, 20, 35. Then when you arrive at 99, let me make this very clear. This is where the mini lot size ends, and after that, the next thing is going to be standard lot. And trust me, you can't exhaust this, because you're going to have 2 standard lots, 3, 4, 10 standard lot, 50 standard lot, 100 standard lot. No, that is huge. So I hope I've been able to break down this lot size based on the packs as explained. Let's move ahead. Okay, still on the lot size, we've talked about standard. One standard lot means 100 units of euro. In this case, this is the base currency. One standard lot means 100,000 units of euro, and such as any other pair attached is 100,000 of such currency. So this is straightforward. That is for standard lot, which is 1.0. Then for mini lot is 0.10. So 1 mini lot of this means 10,000 units of euro, and also 10,000 units of any base currency associated here. And the micro lot size, which is 0.01. So 1 micro lot of euro USD is 1,000 units of euro, or any other base currency associated with the currency pair. So that is just. Now let's see something very interesting here. Remember what we said about ask price. Should you open any trading platform and you see ask price at this level, what it means is that when you buy using one standard lot, remember standard lot is 100,000 of base currency euro. So what it means is that when you click say buy and you choose 1.00 as your volume, or here is a standard lot, it means what you're buying is the price multiplied by the units. I don't know if you get this. Let's start again. One lot is 100,000 units of euro, and you come into your trading app, you saw that euro USD is at this price and you want to buy. When you place a buy using standard lot, this is how much you're using at that particular time. Despite having a $500 account, this is what is actually going on. This is what you're using to enter into the market. But your equity is lower than this amount. So where do you get this amount? This $113,000. Your broker is the one providing it. Your broker lends you money to trade. As soon as you open the trade, they give you the money. When you close, they take their money away. So if you were to buy using a mini lot size, this is the unit of euro you're going to be buying, 10,000, and when you multiply it by the price, you are using $11,000 to go into the market. And if you use a micro lot size, you're buying a unit of 1,000, you're going into the market with $1,132. So this is what we call leverage. Your broker lends you money whenever you want to trade. And this is why individuals were not able to trade the forex market until the brokers came in to help individuals by giving individuals money to help them have a huge amount which can be used to trade the forex market. So here it says, how do you get amount of money to trade huge lots? Your broker has you covered. This is where your broker come in to help you trade the forex. So without your brokers, trading the forex will be difficult.